Are you wondering how to delete stories on Facebook? Maybe you want to delete a story to recreate it or to prevent someone from seeing it. Whatever your reason, in this video I will show you how to do it. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to delete stories on Facebook. First of all, let's open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the menu page, tap on your name to go to your profile. So now what you want to do next is tap on these three little dots. And it will show you a bunch of options. From these options, simply tap on Activity Log. After that, scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen and tap on View Activity History. And it will show you all of your activity on Facebook. Every like and comment and whatever you do will be here. So what you want to do now is tap on the filter button at the top left, and then tap on Categories. After that, tap on your posts and, as you can see, there is the option to see all of your stories on Facebook. So go ahead and tap on your stories. And now all you have to do is tap on these three little dots and simply select Delete. And then tap on Delete one more time, and that will get rid of your Facebook story. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.